PermaSafe. All right, here's the deal. PermaSafe is not the average set of rubber gloves that you've seen at the hospital before. These things are designed for people that work outside of a clinical setting with their hands that still don't want to touch something gross or something hazardous. Your paramedics, your law enforcement officers, construction workers, mechanics, farmers, anybody that's working a manual labor job where typical rubber gloves simply aren't going to hold up, you have PermaSafe. These things have diamond texture on the palms so that even if your hands get greasy or wet, you still have traction and you're able to grab stuff. They're also twice as thick and 4 times more puncture and tear resistant. Okay, check this out. Okay, look at this. That's like half a gallon of water inside this rubber glove right now. That's quality jiggling right there, okay? I'm pretty sure this is what the Hulk's jeans are made out of. Oh no, now my hands are all wet from filling up that other glove with a bunch of water. Listen to all the traction and grip I still have with these goddamn gloves. And here's the best part about these. You don't have to go to a special website. You don't have to follow my link. You don't have to use my discount code. You can just go to Amazon. They are on Amazon Prime. You can order these and have them at your house tomorrow. And I know what you're thinking, but chubby electron guy, I don't need rubber gloves, okay? Listen to me. Rubber gloves are like jumper cables and condoms. You never need them until you need them. Just trust me on this one. Go to Amazon, buy yourself a box of PermaSafe gloves, keep them in your car, in your garage, and at some point in the future, you're gonna be holding something absolutely disgusting in your hands. You're gonna be like, wow, Fat Electrician was right. This was definitely worth the money. So yeah, get yourself some PermaSafe gloves, because shit happens. It just doesn't have to happen on your hands.